Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so glad to have you guys here today. I hope that you're having a great start to your day and this week whenever you're seeing this video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have a 2.5-year-old daughter and I live with my husband as well as our little Morky princess. She is 9 years old and we rescued her when she was 2. So it is just so crazy how fast time flies. Anyway, if you're new, welcome. Like I said, I'm so happy to have you here. I film content basically around cleaning, homemaking, lifestyle, and motherhood. So if that's something that you're interested and then please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. In today's video, we are getting right into some cleaning motivation. I am taking you through our master bedroom as well as our master bathroom, and then we will also be tackling the main living spaces downstairs. So if you are looking for some cleaning motivation, today is the perfect day and this is the perfect video for you. For those of you that are new here, or if you may not know, we actually moved into this home about a little over a year ago. And the previous owners actually had re-renovated the bathroom in our master bath, which is great. So it is beautiful. I will say that I notice a lot of my hair and dust in this bathroom more frequently. So today I'm going in and just vacuuming. It feels really good to just shake out the rugs, get a good vacuum, and of course, we are cleaning the toilet. Let me know down below, honestly guys, how frequently do you guys clean your bathrooms? We have 2.5 baths in our house, and our home I think is definitely a decent size to maintain. We used to live in a smaller home that was like less than 1,000 square feet, and I, to this day, love that home so much. But I think no matter what kind of home you have, of course, if you size up, there's of course more space, but I think it just takes a lot of time and love to maintain a clean home. Sorry, as I'm recording this, I also have my toddler that is trying to go down for the night. We're attempting a new bedtime routine, so I can kind of hear her as I'm doing this voiceover. But I am curious, leave a comment down below how frequently you clean your bathrooms. If you prefer to do a solid deep clean like once a month, every 2 weeks, if you're in there once a week trying to maintain. I find that is actually, if you have the time and can squeeze in some maintenance cleaning, I think that is great. I also find roughly on a 2 to 3 week schedule for a good solid deep clean. Of course, I feel the more I keep up with it, the easier it is to maintain and the less overwhelming it can get, but it does take time to clean bathrooms. So of course, if you're watching this video and you're looking for motivation, I hope that I'm able to provide that for you today. But always keep in mind with cleaning videos, especially speed cleaning, that it's just that. It is sped up, it takes time, and yeah, so just leave a comment down below. I'm curious. I feel like I do a good deep clean probably every 2, maybe to 3 weeks, depending how crazy life gets. In today's video, this was more of a maintenance clean. So right now I am just doing a quick tidy up of our master bedroom. This honestly isn't even the worst of our bedroom. I feel like similar to our kitchen peninsula and our kitchen, our master bedroom can often be a dumping ground for folded laundry, unfolded laundry, a lot of miscellaneous items. So it wasn't too bad today, but one thing I do try to do every day, doesn't even matter if it's morning or an hour or 2 before bed, but it's always to make our bed. And I'm going in just wiping down our nightstands because I do find that our bedroom oftentimes is probably the most neglected place. So I do try at least every couple weeks to do some good maintenance cleaning. I also love to vacuum in our bedroom, whether it is with the Dyson, our Shark vacuum, or our Roomba. I like to just let those go because these carpets, they're not my favorite, but I don't want to sit here and complain because I'm really thankful for like our home and everything. But these carpets just harbor a lot of things. And I'm pretty sure that not the owners before us, but the owners before them actually had put these carpets in. So we have these all throughout the upstairs and in our hallway. I'm actually, if you guys are interested in house projects, let me know, because we are going to Home Depot, I think this upcoming weekend, to start looking at different kind of materials for our hallway stairs. So we've been going kind of back and forth, and I just want to see different options. But if you guys love home projects, let me know if that's something that you would be interested in seeing, because I do think I'm going to film that project. So on a scale of 1 to no business, sorry, my daughter and my husband are laughing upstairs. That was really cute. I don't know if you guys can hear that well, if it picks up, but anyway, on a scale of 1 to no business, I had no business buying a new Christmas mug at Marshall's, but for $4.99, I could not leave that cutie behind. I love mugs because I love coffee, and it's something that's so inexpensive, and I feel like when I find one that I really like, I will even use like Christmas mugs or Halloween mugs all year round if I really like the mug. So I just wanted to toss that in there as a little like festive treat to self. And if you guys see it at your, I think it was Marshall's. Yeah. If you see it at your Marshall's and you're interested, $4.99, I thought that was a great price. But also the reason I got it is because, one, to spark a small amount of joy, which is very inexpensive, and it's just, I don't know, just made me happy. But we also purchased a Nespresso machine. So I know some of you guys were so kind to leave me some comments down below and on the community tab when I had posted. We actually purchased, it is called the Nespresso, I think it's the Pop Plus or Vertuo Pop Plus. It is the smallest one, and we are obsessed. My husband and I are so obsessed. We used to have the Ninja coffee maker. I forget the exact name and model, and we got it as a wedding gift. It did us really well for the past 4.5 years. Up until these past couple months, I ended up, I think it's called like descaling the machine, and I do think that helped. But I just woke up after about like a month and a half of doing research on these Nespresso machines and if they're worth the hype and the extra money for the pods. And I woke up one day and I told my husband, I was like, look, this one is on sale at Target from $129 to $99. I was like, I think we need to go out and get it. So we just ended up we did just that. So we made a little family trip out this past weekend, and we purchased our new Nespresso. We are in love. I was really torn between this one, and then I'm trying to think of the other one. It is, I think it's like $169 on their website. That might be like the Vertuo Plus, I think. Wait, no, now I'm confusing the names. It's the one that's a little bit taller, and I was going back and forth. I wasn't sure. I've been doing research on this for literally a month and a half, you guys. I don't know why I am the way I am. It's like my older millennial brain. I need to like know what is happening, and I still did not understand the difference between all of the machines. So I'm not that advanced with coffee, but yeah, I've been talking about this for far too long, but you guys will definitely see our new Nespresso. I thought for $100 it was a great purchase, and if we love it, great. If not, also okay, because it was $100, but so far we are in love with it, you guys. Also, leave a comment down below. Have you decorated for Christmas yet? Let me know. And I am curious, do you do a real tree or artificial? Because we normally do a real one, and we will be doing that this year as well, but technically now I can say that we do one of each. But I am really excited to get our real tree the day after Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite traditions. But let me know if you guys have decorated for Christmas and what you've done in your home. If you like to go all out, if you like to keep it more simple and minimal, do you like to thrift your Christmas decor? Definitely leave a comment down below. Every time I clean and film and that quilt on our couch is, you're not seeing it right now, I apologize, but the quilt on our couch, I always want to mention that my husband's grandmother, so our daughter's great grandmother, actually made that quilt for her. So I don't know, it's just so precious. And I love taking it out with the Christmas stuff and just having it on display. It's just so special that it was literally handmade with love. So let me know if there's anything special that you have in your home for the holiday season. Another question that I wanted to ask you guys, and thank you to those of you that do respond on the community tab to any polls that I place. That's always very helpful when it comes to filming and creative ideas. But I wanted to ask, would you be interested in some decluttering / cleaning videos? Because there are a few spaces in this house that have been, in the back of my mind, on the back burner. So let me know if you'd be interested in decluttering. I know those are trending right now on YouTube, but for you guys as my viewers, just let me know. Or do you prefer just more cleaning videos? Thank you guys so much for being here. If you made it to this point in today's video, I hope that whether you just watched the video or you decided to put it on and clean along with me, I hope that we were able to accomplish some things on our to-do list together. Thank you guys again for being here. I am just so happy to have you here for the holidays and in general, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and week whenever you are watching this video.